Hi, in this video, we're going to show you how to report a listing syndication issue in the REBNY RLS or any associated websites using RealtyMX. First of all, find your listing. Then we recommend going to the listing itself so you're sure you're on the right listing. And then simply hit report problem. So RealtyMX makes it quite simple to report problems to not only their support team, but other marketplaces, essentially third-party sites, and RLS vendors that they syndicate to. For Hauseit agent-assisted FSBO customers, they can submit a ticket using our listing update tool, and they can select a variety of third-party sites where they're seeing issues, and again, this list can change, and they can explain exactly the issue they'd like us to pass on to the site. So based on the ticket, the client will perhaps have a sentence or two, perhaps a blurb, and will select which sites they want to. So simply replicate what the client wants and pass on, copy paste the issue, and send it on to the vendor that they are having an issue with. So for example, let's say they have an issue with Realtor.com and RealtyMX itself. And when we say RealtyMX, because it is a RLS vendor, that means they see an issue in the REBNY RLS. So we can attempt to remedy this through RealtyMX, as well as perhaps the REBNY RLS team directly. So we can select REBNY, RealtyMX, perhaps the RLS just for good measure, and then Realtor. So this is Realtor.com. And then you copy and paste the issue that you're having. So this is a hypothetical copy and paste of what the client wants us to pass on, and then you simply hit email, and a support message goes out to the places that they requested. And that's really it. I mean, some of these other marketplaces, this is homes.com, this is Localize, that's another third-party search site. These are all other third-party sites. Again, this stands for Realtor.com. Obviously the REBNY RLS, so you can also include the REBNY RLS support team directly in addition to RealtyMX. And then Trulia, of course, and then these are some other RLS vendors. So for example, RealtyMX, Real Plus, OLR, Perchwell. These are similar to RealtyMX. They're third-party vendors that can be used by any brokerage. And then of course, Element, Corcoran, they have their own in-house brokerage systems. So they are essentially their own exclusive RLS vendor. So if you do see issues for some reason, for example, on Element's website or Corcoran's website, you can also include their tech teams as well in the support message. And that's pretty much it. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment below. Join us at Hauseit.com. We'd love to work with you either on a listing of ours or perhaps as a new agent on our team. We're actively hiring, especially in the South Florida market. We hope to hear from you. Thank you so much.